Hello students, I am Abdesh Kumar Jha. We are going to discuss the second chapter of history of class ninth. The title of the chapter is Socialism in Europe and the Russian Revolution. In the previous video, we have learned about a turbulent time, 1905 revolution and the incident of Bloody Sunday. In this video, we are going to discuss about the First World War and the Russian Empire. In 1914, the First World War started between two European alliances, between Central Power and Allied Power. Germany, Austria, and Turkey uh, were the Central Powers, and France, Britain, Russia, later Italy and Romania uh, were the Allied Powers. This war was fought at global level. Initially, the war was popular in Russia and the people supported Tsar Nicholas II. The Tsar had decided to take the command of the Russian army into his own hand. So he left his court and went to the battlefield. Tsar refused to consult the main parties in the Duma. Anti-German sentiments ran high, and the city was renamed. The city, St. Petersburg, was renamed as a Petrograd. The Tsarina Alexandra, German origin and poor advisor, especially a monk called Rasputin, made the autocracy unpopular. Defeat of Russian army was shocking and demoralizing. Russian army lost badly in Germany and Austria between 1914 and 1916. There were over 7 million Russian casualties by 1917. As they retreated, the Russian army destroyed crops and buildings to prevent the enemy from being able to leave off the land. It led to over 3 million refugees in Russia. The situation dishonored the government and the Tsar. Soldiers did not wish to fight such a war. The war had a severe impact on industry. The country was cut off from other suppliers of industrial goods by the Germans. By 1916, railway lines began to break down. Able bodied men were involved in the war. It led to acute labor shortage. Large supplies of grain were sent to feed the vast army. Food scarcity became common, which sometimes led to riots in bread shops. The February Revolution in Petrograd. In the winter of 1917, conditions in the capital Petrograd were awful. The layout of the city seemed to emphasizes the divisions among its people as worker quarters and factories were on the right bank of Neva River, while Winter Palace and official buildings on the left. In February 1917, there was acute shortage of food in Russia, which made the life of workers very difficult. Parliamentarians were opposed to the Tsar's desire to dissolve the Duma. On 22nd February, a lockout took place at a factory on the right bank of the river Neva. The next day, 50 factories called a strike in sympathy. In many factories, women also led the way to a strike on 23rd February 1917. This day came to be called International Women's Day. Demonstrating workers crossed from the river Neva and quarters to the center of the capital, and official buildings were surrounded by workers. All the demonstrators dispersed by the evening, but they came back on the 24th and 25th February. The government tried to control the situation and called out the cavalry and police. The Duma was suspended on Sunday, 25th February. Politicians spoke out against the suspension of Duma. Demonstrators returned in force to the street of the left bank of the river Neva on the 26th February. On the 27th February, the police headquarters were attacked and damaged. Workers demonstrated in the streets, raising slogans about better hours, bread, wages, and democracy. The government once again called cavalry, but it refused to fire on the demonstrator. An officer was shot at the barracks of a regiment. Three other regiments revolted and voted to join the striking workers. The cavalry soldiers joined the workers and jointly formed a Soviet or council in the same building where the Duma met. This was the Petrograd Soviet. On the next day, a delegation went to see the Tsar. The Tsar resigned the throne on the advice of the military commanders on 2nd March 1917. Soviet leaders and Duma leaders formed a provisional government to run the country. Russia's future then was decided by a constituent assembly elected on the basis of universal adult suffrage. The Petrograd Soviet had led the February Revolution that brought down the monarchy in February 1917. In the next video, we will discuss about after February.